In this video, we're going to discuss general linear model with and without an intercept. Okay, and we're going to discuss some of the issues with removing the intercept and some of the benefits. So imagine if you want to understand minutes used and in relation to, say, plan type, a phone plan type, could be platinum, whatever. So you go to Analyze, General Linear Model, Univariate. We'd have plan type as a fixed factor, because it's just a factor. And then we'd have minutes, the dependent. Plan type is categorical, so fixed factor. Alright, I'm going to press OK. Alright, here's the results. We're going to need some, actually I'm going to add the coefficients. We're going to look at the coefficients now. So options. I'm going to put in parameter estimates and descriptive statistics. This will help with understanding the difference between with and without an intercept. So here are the means for the different plan types. And here are the parameters. Now you see plan type 5, it's set to 0. The intercept here, 1260.858, that happens to be the mean, not by chance, but it is the mean of plan type 5. And the rest of the coefficients, if plan type 1, it's the difference between the plan type 5 and plan type 1. So if you add the intercept plus plan type 1, you get the average for plan type 1, the beta for plan type 1. And you see r squared here is 0.67. Now if I were to analyze general linear model, now what I can do is remove the intercept. I'm going to unclick, include intercept, click continue, press OK. And now what I have is, for each plan type and the parameters equals the mean of the plan type. See 341.014. If I go back to descriptive statistics, 341.01, which if I highlight it, it's, well, rounds to 0.014. See 341.013548. Click exact same number. And that's because I removed the intercept. It's one categorical variable. And now the betas are the means. And that's sort of nice. That can be nice at times because it's easy to interpret the beta, especially if you're dealing with just one categorical variable. One problem though, if you notice, the r squared has changed. R squared is now 0.949. It went up dramatically from 0.67. In truth though, this equation doesn't estimate minutes any better than the first equation. SPSS, when calculating r squared after the intercept is removed, makes r squared not interpretable for understanding model performance. R squared should be completely ignored when you're looking at model performance if you've removed the intercept. If you don't remove the intercept, it's okay. But if you remove intercept, make a model without intercept, do not ignore r squared. That's one of the downfalls. But you can see, if you were just looking at one categorical, it's very nice to look at the betas this way. They have easier to interpret. Okay, so that's the main differences between with and without intercept in GLM.